At our NH Aesthetic Centre, we aim towards providing you with a holistic and self-confident image about yourself. With our wide range of services and procedures, we strive towards helping you achieve the body you desire. Our team of highly skilled surgeons and dermatologists work with state-of-the-art equipment towards renewing what's uniquely yours.
The NH Aesthetic Centre is a unique first-of-its-kind initiative by Narayana Health. This centre is provided with the best-in-class state-of-the-art equipment as well as services solely meant to provide the best possible results to our patients, keeping in mind an ethical and safe practice.
While dermatological and laser-based procedures promote radiant and unblemished skin, procedures such as liposuction and tummy tucks motivate you mentally to maintain a healthy lifestyle.
Plastic surgery is all about getting your confidence back, not just changing your appearance.
I believe in the mantra, good skin should be easy to maintain. Our treatment plans are simplified and personalized based on individual needs to help you achieve the best version of yourself.
We at the NH Aesthetic Centre very strongly believe in the saying, "You are your own kind of beautiful." Keep this in mind. We aim to do our best to provide you with holistic treatments in the most cost-effective manner and outstanding patient care. Our motto is what helps us provide you with the best, and keeping that in mind, we look towards making your journey with us an enjoyable one.